Alright guys, I just want to do a short little video real quick just to show you about subwoofer boxes and your 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. I just got this here off Amazon. It was about 150 bucks, $159, something like that. At least at the time of this video. Give you a quick look over it. And those are just regular 10-inch subs, not shallow mount or nothing. They fit in there perfectly. But what's going to happen is the box is not going to fit, but for some reason no video or anything that I found online tells you that there's anchors here that you're going to need to remove. There's one here, and one there. All I did was just grab a pair of vice grips and just kind of started wiggling back and forth, and eventually they broke off, all 3 of them. And these are fine. You don't have to remove none of those. These here had 2 screws sticking out where a nut goes on. Well, when I took the plastic covers off, there was no nut or anything like that, so I really don't know what those are for. So that's the only 2 I had to cut. So once I cut those 2 off and took these anchors off, then the box will fit. Also, if you notice on the box, it has a indentation right here. That's if you have a power window like I do, that'll fit around it just perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and get the box put in, and I'll show you that the seats will go up. As you can see, fits nice and snug, and I should be able to just lift my seat and it should just lock right in. Just like that. Alright, as you've seen, the seats go up. Perfect. There's a gap between the subs and the seat itself. I did stick my plastic covers back on, and they do close just fine with them on there. And there's still plenty of room between the subwoofer and the cover itself. I guess it's recommended to still take them off, but I'm going to try them with them on there, and then I'm going to try them with them off to see how it sounds, if it makes much difference. But if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I'll just go ahead and leave a link to this subwoofer box that I used in here. The truck I have is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. And hopefully this video helps you. If it does, let me know. Hit that like, subscribe. And until again, I'll see you next time. So thanks for watching.